Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix the views error on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to know is why you are getting 0 views. The first reason may be because your account is new and sometimes a video takes 24 hours to get the views. Next reason might be your video quality is bad, which might be causing the problem. The next reason might be that you are posting from a banned device, which might cause your video to not get proper views as it should. So some of the solutions to fix your issues are: do not delete your videos. If your videos have violated any community guidelines, then delete the video. If not, then I recommend not to delete your video because getting views may require more than 24 hours. Second is re-upload the video. Re-upload the video a couple of times. Doing this will likely increase the views on your videos. Sometimes the algorithm of the TikTok might be causing issues, so re-uploading the video a couple of times will do the trick. The next is servers and updates. Check to see if the TikTok servers are running properly or not. Sometimes the server being down might be the reason that your videos are not getting proper views, and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing. So that's basically how to fix 0 views error on TikTok, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.